Can I file for Chapter 7, bankruptcy, if I am self-employed? If you are a self-employed individual struggling with debt and wondering if you can file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you are not alone. Let us break down the details to help you understand your options. First, it is important to know that self-employed individuals can indeed file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. This type of bankruptcy is often referred to as a liquidation bankruptcy, where some of your assets might be sold to pay off your debts. If your self-employed business is relatively simple, meaning you are the only employee, you do not have inventory or accounts receivable, and you do not have ongoing contracts, you might be a good candidate for Chapter 7. In such cases, you do not need to perform a means test, which is typically required if consumer debt makes up the majority of your debt. Since business debt does not count towards this test, you can skip it if your debts are mostly business-related. However, if your business is more complex, for example, if you have employees, inventory, or ongoing contracts, Chapter 13 might be a better fit. But let us focus on Chapter 7 for now. As a self-employed individual, your business and personal finances are often intertwined. If you are a sole proprietor or an independent contractor, your business debts and assets are considered part of your personal finances. This means that when you file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you will need to include all your business debts and assets in the filing. It is also crucial to have good records of your income and expenses. Since self-employed income can be irregular, you will need to provide detailed financial records, such as tax returns, bank statements, and business receipts. This helps the bankruptcy court determine your income accurately. In terms of eligibility, corporations cannot file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy and receive a DSR, but as a self-employed individual operating as a sole proprietor or independent contractor, you can file under Chapter 7. Just ensure you meet the basic requirements for filing bankruptcy, such as receiving credit counseling within 180 days before filing. So, to answer your question directly, yes, you can file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy if you are self-employed, provided your business structure and financial situation align with the requirements and guidelines for this type of bankruptcy. It is always a good idea to consult with an experienced bankruptcy attorney to guide you through the process and ensure you are making the best decision for your situation.